In the leader vehicle, GPS position data is being transmitted to the follower vehicle. The data contains information that says, this is my speed, this is my location, and the follower vehicle essentially replicates that.
What we've done is added a brain and a nervous system to this truck.
I mean, we're talking about cutting-edge hardware and software to automate these vehicles in a safe manner.
CDOT is launching the Autonomous Truck-Mounted Attenuator as a pilot project that helps show what self-driving technology can do in the right application.
We will eliminate any possibility of any driver being killed in a work zone from a TMA.
Let's see what this thing can do.
This vehicle is designed to protect the workers in front of it, so they have an extremely high precision GPS system that allows position data to give us plus or minus 4-inch accuracy. Information is picked up by the following vehicle, and it matches position, it matches heading, and it matches speed.